As you know, I am DL Cordero. I'm primarily a sci-fi fantasy author. I dabble in some poetry and also horror. But today I'm going to stay mainly with my lyrical side and be performing an oral history in the tradition of my people's incorporating song. And then there'll be some poetry at the end. So I'm going to grab. Okay. So this is para minha familia. Despierta, borinqueño, que han dado la señal. Despierta de ese sueño, que es hora de luchar. For a community to heal, it must first confront its history. It must account for the wrongs committed, the wounds inflicted, bear witness to the voices silenced, to push forward el mejor falso. My body is a community unto itself, each feature a landmark upon a map of disparate parts, forced to coexist. Despierta de ese sueño, que es hora de luchar. A ese llamar patriótico, no hay tu corazón. I will bear witness, I will bear witness, I will bear witness to mi familia taína, descendants of Atabe, Yukahubagua, Maorokoti, Yaya Guature, Guacar, Yaya Lokuo, Guabansesh, Deminan Caracaracol, Itibakahu, Baba, Yaya El Ekaguama. Spirits that shape the universe, los semíes. In English, the word semi gets translated to deity, but this is another way English fails. Taino believe that we are descendants related to these spirits. And because our cosmic mother Atabe became the personification of compassion by becoming Caguama, she who birthed us, we too believe we are compassion. Our nature is to love. And so when Christopher Columbus invaded La Isla de Boriquen, land considered holy, land considered a gift from the cosmic mother, my Taino ancestors gave. They loved, they shared, because that is who they were. That is who we are. They did not know that you should not love one whose nature is violence. My world history teacher in 2005 used the following words when describing first contact between people groups. When an advanced civilization meets a primitive one, explain to me how it is more advanced to subjugate those who meet you with love. Santa fue mi familia taína. Santa es mi familia taína. In Christopher Columbus's own words, they will give all that they do possess for anything that is given to them. They do not carry arms or know them. They should be good servants. Santa será para siempre mi familia taína. Despierta, borinqueño, que han dado la señal. Despierta de ese sueño, que es hora de luchar. The Spanish considered the Taino extinct by the 1600s, despite having generations upon generations of children with the same people they claimed dead. This was the first whitening to bury under paper genocide people that exist to this day. But as we know, whiteness, as it consumes, seeks more fuel. A ese llamar patriótico, no hay tu corazón, ven, no será simpático, el ruido de que nosotros queremos la libertad. My best guess is that my African ancestors are Yoruba, Igbo, and Bantu. My Spanish and Portuguese ancestors liked to steal people from West Africa, from places they named the Gold Coast, like birds, distracted by shiny things. Los malditos españoles renamed Boriquén Puerto Rico, rich port, because they found gold in her rivers too. Mi familia negra was dragged across the ocean for close to 300 years for sugar. Caña de azúcar became what Boriquén was most valued for after all her shiny gold was stolen. Nosotros queremos la libertad. I seek to find mi familia's names, knowing I may never succeed, but not knowing does not make me less proud. Survival by any means necessary. Mi familia bought freedom by selling food harvested on tiny plots of land. Survival by any means necessary. Mi familia wielded their machetes, 22 documented uprisings and revolts. Survival by any means necessary. Mi familia partnered with abolitionists that wrote the original Borinqueña, the song I sing tonight, one calling for revolution and freedom. They sang it as they took back cities in the dead of night. Grito de lares, nosotros queremos la libertad. Y nuestros machetes nos la darán. Nosotros queremos la libertad, la libertad. Fuck those who try to bury us under mejorar la raza when instituting policies of whiteness. Fuck el código negro, the royal decree of graces, la regla de sacar. We were and are not the ones who need to be better. Blessed are those who bear the shades of the universe, she who holds life and death, all of existence within her grasp. Blessed are the sacred, for their magic transformed dust into pearls. Santa fue mi familia negra. Blessed are we who reclaim. Santa es mi familia negra. Bear witness to the endurance, strength, and beauty of the diaspora. Santa será para siempre mi familia negra. We sing the hum of the universe, a frequency whose resonance shatters the binds of those who subjugate. Vámonos, borinqueños, vámonos ya, que nos espera ansiosa, ansiosa la libertad, la libertad, la These last two poems are entitled Thick and Legacy. They are messages I deliver on behalf of Hupias, antepasados, and ancestors. Your blood is thick. Use it. As we did when we survived the genocide, as we did when we survived the shackles and ships, as we did when we broke, died, buried, revived, child of Phoenix and shapeshifter. We poured ourselves into the minerals filling your vessels, stored our magic in your cells and sinews, gave you all we could and could not spare. We made the ground fertile with our vision so that you, our seed, may grow, flower, bear fruit of destiny, legacy in motion, lineage of starfire. You have not now, nor have you ever been alone. We have always been here. We will always be here. Because you are us and we are you, and this is yours, that which has no name, which exists in the spaces and silence from which all things are rebirthed, the beginnings, ends, and forever, the whisper, the spark, that which smiles in the dark. All of this belongs to you. It cannot be stolen. It cannot be lost because it is your blood, thick with our gifts, Fill it. Let our grit grind the gears of injustice and rattle the rigid gates of inequity until they roll under your feet and under our graves. Your blood is thick. Use it, use it, use it like a flood that drowns those who have stolen and conspired and oppressed our children. Nuestra victoria viene, nuestra victoria vendrá. Liberación, liberation, libertad, freedom. Let your curls lasso round our souls and carry us into that future. Your blood is thick, your blood is thick. Breathe, thrive, defy. Your blood is thick. Carry us out of this night and into the light you and we have ignited.
Amazing.
This last one is called Legacy, and I like to perform it as a bit of a blessing for the people who are listening. We will love and love and love. We will love and love and love. We will love and love and love and love. In the face of violence, we love ourselves. In the face of destruction, we love those like us. When the lashings tear, we love our skin. And when the wounds bleed, we love our blood. And we will love and love and love and love all that we have been and all that we will be. For we are blessed and none can make better. For we are glorious y nuestra victoria viene. We have seen past the horizon and know that our children dance in the fulfillment of our dreams. So we will love and love and love past our final breath. Okay.